Figma, the popular design software company, has officially moved closer to going public. On Monday, the company published an updated prospectus for its highly anticipated initial public offering, IPO, revealing a plan to offer approximately 37 million shares priced between $25 and $28 each. The IPO could raise up to $1 billion in total proceeds, shared between the company and existing shareholders. Figma's potential IPO valuation ranges from $14.6 billion to $16.4 billion on a fully diluted basis. Co-founder and CEO Dylan Field is expected to sell around 2.35 million of his own shares, which could be worth up to $65.8 million. In 2024, a private tender offer valued Figma at $12.5 billion, signaling strong investor interest even before the public debut. Notably, in 2022, Adobe had announced plans to acquire Figma for $20 billion. However, that deal was later scrapped due to regulatory challenges and antitrust concerns. Figma's IPO comes at a time when the U.S. market for tech IPOs is slowly rebounding after a significant lull since late 2021. Market uncertainty due to inflation and economic concerns had made investors cautious, particularly regarding high-growth but unprofitable tech firms. Despite the slowdown, several notable tech companies have recently gone public, including CoreWeave in March and both Circle and Chime in June. Figma filed for its IPO on July 1st and plans to trade on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol FIG. In Monday's updated filing, the company shared preliminary financial results for Q2 2025. Revenue for the quarter is expected to range between $247 and $250 million, representing year-over-year growth between 39% and 41%. Operating income is projected to fall between $9 and $12 million, reflecting an increase in operating margin to between 4% and 5%, up from 3% in the same quarter of the previous year. These results highlight Figma's continued growth trajectory, driven by both acquiring new clients and expanding relationships with existing ones. The company's revenue in Q1 had already shown impressive growth, exceeding 46% year-over-year. In a notable innovation, Figma disclosed that it has authorized the creation of blockchain common stock, which would exist as blockchain-based tokens. However, the company clarified that it currently has no plans to issue this form of stock. In addition, Figma reported recent investments in a stablecoin and a Bitcoin exchange-traded fund, signaling an interest in the digital finance ecosystem. The company also announced new additions to its board of directors. Mike Krieger, co-founder of Instagram and currently the chief product officer at artificial intelligence startup Anthropic, has joined the board. He is joined by Luis von Ahn, co-founder and CEO of language learning platform Duolingo. Figma's IPO is being closely watched as a potential turning point for the tech IPO market in 2025. With strong financial performance and influential board additions, the company is positioning itself as one of the most significant public debuts in recent tech history.